This is 27-year-old Brandon Leohner, a father accused of kidnapping his own 1-year-old son. But what you're about to see is even more shocking. The body cam footage shows how far he was willing to go, putting his own child in danger just to run from the police. On September 27, 2022, it all started on a quiet afternoon in Palm Coast. Brandon Leohner had just come home, where his 1-year-old son and the child's mother were waiting for him. Everything seemed normal. His girlfriend even ordered a pizza for the two of them. But what happened next changed everything. As the pizza delivery driver pulled up, a neighbor also arrived home. And for some reason, this sent Brandon into full panic mode. No one knows exactly why, but something clearly snapped. Suddenly, Brandon ran to his car with his baby in his arms. He started searching through the vehicle, acting strange and nervous. His girlfriend begged him to hand over their son, but he refused. He jumped into the driver's seat, still holding the baby. A short struggle broke out between the two. She tried to stop him, but he overpowered her. Brandon slammed the door, stepped on the gas, and drove off, with their 1-year-old son sitting on his lap. Panicked and crying, the mother called 911. She told them Brandon had taken their child, and he might have a gun with him. Police quickly found Brandon's car driving fast down Belterre Parkway. But even with cops behind him, he refused to stop. He kept going, dodging traffic, until he pulled into a McDonald's parking lot around 6:30 p.m.
Show me your fucking hands, dude! Put the baby down! Put the kid down! Put the kid down! Give us the air. Put the kid down, dude! Put the kid down!
Fortunately, the child is safe and out of harm's way. But the chaos leading up to that moment was nothing short of terrifying.
Go deployed, dog hit under the truck. Stop, dude! I have a Tango deployment. We're fighting with it right now. I have the kid.
On the ground! On the ground!
I don't have nothing! No! Are you kidding me? Are you guys kidding me?
No, hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
Why?
Get him down!
Go do work, bud. Okay, go ahead. Here, take this, take this.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Put your hands behind your back! You're gonna get tased! Put your hands behind your back! 746. Roll EMS for a canine bite.
Stop, please. I deployed mine too, so.
Did somebody get leg control?
You need to stop. No. We're trying to help you.
No, you're not.
What kind of drugs you had?
No, you said I had a gun. Stop.
No, we're asking what kind of drugs
No.
you're taking.
No, please.
Okay.
Please.
Please don't, sir. Come on, man. Please. My son.
As soon as Brandon pulled into the McDonald's parking lot, he didn't stop to surrender. He jumped out of the car, still holding his 1-year-old son tightly in his arms, and started running. The scene turned chaotic in seconds. Officers shouted at him to stop, their voices filled with urgency, not just because he was running, but because an innocent child was in danger. Police chased him down, doing everything they could to stop him without putting the child at risk. After several tense moments and careful coordination, officers finally caught up to him. They managed to take him down safely, without harming the baby. His son was immediately taken from his arms and handed over to officers, who quickly moved him to safety.
He's good, he's good. Kid's 10-4, he's good. Dad went for a run. Some of my friends went for a run with him.
No injuries on him?
No, nothing.
Are you hurting anywhere? Yeah, Dad went that way.
Get the gun away from me, man.
There's no gun around you.
Yes, there is.
No, there's not.
I can see it. Stop.
That's a radio.
Stop holding me down, please.
We have to hold you down. You're not compliant.
No. Okay, I'll flip you on my stomach.
We have an ambulance coming. You need to calm down.
You got those extra gloves?
In the chaos, he sustained several minor injuries, cuts, scrapes, and bruises while trying to outrun the officers. But the situation escalated even further once he was caught. After officers managed to pin him down on the ground, a police K-9, still in high alert mode, suddenly bit Brandon on the leg. The bite tore through his skin, leaving a deep and painful wound. Brandon screamed in pain as officers quickly pulled the dog back and secured the scene. Shortly after the arrest, EMTs arrived at the scene to provide medical attention.
No! No! Stop! Can you guys please stop?
Dude, we're trying to treat your leg.
We're trying to help you.
Hey, he was taking the tasers pretty good.
Stop!
Brandon,
No!
I need you to talk to me for a second.
No!
We're going to sit you up,
No!
okay? Now let's see if we can sit him up.
No!
This way. Roll towards me.
No! Stop, Curtis! Stop!
You're about to throw your head back and hit the curb. Sit up.
Stop!
Drag him this way.
Stop.
Get him away from the curb.
Oh,
Stop!
Dorsey, get on. Hold on.
Stop!
Dorsey, get on this side.
Stop!
Grab this
I
arm.
didn't do nothing, man! Stop!
Dorsey.
Please!
All right.
Please stop!
1, 2, 3, go.
Please stop! 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 Are you kidding me? Stop, guys! Stop!
Are you going to relax?
Please! Please don't shoot me!
Brandon,
Please don't shoot!
Brandon, look at me.
No!
I need you to
Stop.
relax, partner.
No! Stop!
You guys ready?
No!
Is he going head on that side?
No!
Yes, head here.
Stop!
Ready?
Ah! No, stop!
Someone got the feet?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Watch your head.
Stop!
After treating his wounds, the EMTs carefully strapped Brandon onto a stretcher to ensure he was secure. With his injuries properly bandaged, they prepared to transport him to the nearest hospital for further treatment.
No! Please! 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 Please!
Brandon was driven to Advent Health Palm Coast, where he would receive medical treatment for his injuries. Though the sound was muted, it was clear from the footage that he had yet to calm down, still visibly unsettled from the chaotic events. Emergency responders, concerned by his erratic behavior, speculated that Brandon may have taken some sort of substance that was influencing his actions. However, this was not confirmed at the time. As the footage blurred and flickered, Brandon grew even more unsteady in the back of the ambulance. It seemed as if the effects of whatever he had taken were worsening, but this would not last long. Later that day, after being treated, Brandon was finally able to speak with police. During the conversation, he mentioned a mysterious weapon, claiming he had one with him during the chase. Authorities, however, had not found any gun in his car during the initial search. The truth of the shocking events was about to come to light. Through further investigation, it was revealed that while trying to outrun the officers, Brandon had thrown his gun out of the vehicle into a swale near 836 Belterre Parkway. The weapon was later recovered, with one round still in the chamber, and it was taken into evidence. After receiving medical attention at the hospital, Brandon was transported to the Flagler County inmate facility. There, he was officially charged with kidnapping. What are your thoughts on Brandon's actions and the aftermath? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.